Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of TikTok. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will click here in this page. Then this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. We'll search about the application of TikTok. And here, as you see, you can update your app if you find update. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.